Hi, I am Anurag Gupta.
Hi, I am Diksha. We are from Spaces and Elements.
We are the co-design team for Nirvana Hills, and we are the ones who will be bringing the complete vision and turning it into a reality for you all.
So while Anurag looks into providing technical and innovative insights on projects, I am the design head, bring together creative inputs to the table. With Nirvana Hills also, we started by studying about projects of a similar scale, of a similar nature, and try to identify areas where, there can be improvement. When we say we want to create a space or a project which is very community driven and which brings different walks of people together,
We are trying to create a community for the localites and to generate income for them as well. So this is going to be the start of a sustainable living through the construction process. Our very first visit to the site, we could clearly see that we need to make use of the land in its natural form. We wanted everything, even the smallest of the structure to the biggest of the structures, to grow out of the land form that is already there.
we visited the site. We were really mesmerized by the hills surrounding.
The land is, has been naturally carved out by nature itself. The waterways, the roads, etc., have been naturally carved already into the land form. The best part about it is the small hill that we have and the views that we get while standing in the center. When it comes particularly to Nirvana Hills, our design ideology is to offer something that people will not get inside the cities that they are already living in. It has to be open spaces, it has to be very organic, it has to be very sustainable, and it has to be refreshing. So the whole design language that we are following with a thought in mind that it has to be very refreshing for the customers.
So principally, how we want the this project to be is a place which fosters sustainability, a place which promotes community living, which gives you an opportunity to actually ponder and think about all the things that we are doing wrong to Mother Nature.
The identity of this space will be very vernacular. By vernacular, we mean we are taking into consideration the design ideologies, the design language, the materials that are available in the local radius that is there. So we are not trying to create something which will stand out. We are trying to create something which will blend in and not disturb the nature, the current setup in its whole scenario right now.